Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to list an item on Etsy. Either you have a stock item or a dropshipping item. I will select an item from Amazon to dropship to Etsy. So make sure the item is handmade and not the other items because Etsy don't allow that. So I will select this item to list and let's start the listing at Etsy. First of all, I need to go shop manager, and the next thing is listing, and go to the top right and click add a listing to create a new listing. You will see all the options as you see on other platforms like eBay. So first of all, you will need to add your photos. I have already downloaded some images from Amazon. I will put here, and after that you see an option to add a video. If you have a video, you can upload here, otherwise ignore this. This is not mandatory, this is optional. And after that you can adjust your main image and then adjust the thumbnail of your main image. I will set this. Okay. I don't have video, and the title, let's do something with title. Okay, I'm done with the title, and then I will tell them who made it. I didn't made it, another company, and a finished product, and I will select this this year's 2020 to 2022, and then I will select a category. So I will just select, write it, the product name, and I will see the category in the list. I will select it, and they will tell me, the shopper, the buyer will see my items in these categories. So I'm okay with that. If you have colors, you can select a color, otherwise it's optional, you can leave it. Secondary color, I have a color. If you don't have, you can leave it. Okay, I'm not going to select it, not this one, because this is not for a specific occasion, not holiday. The renewal option is automatic. Whenever my item will expire, it will automatically renew, and Etsy will charge me 20 cents for this. If you don't want, you can set it to manual, and set a date when you want to remove the item, the finished item. Okay, and the product type is a physical, not a digital. Okay, I'm okay with that. Okay, description, I will just copy description from Amazon. Okay, just to make it a bit looking good, and I will paste it here. Okay, and I will select this thing, section. I'm not going to select tags. I can add the tags that will this will help selling my product. For example, this is a decoration piece. I will get into. It can be a gift. It can be a wedding gift. Anything. You should add some related keywords here, and the material. I don't know the material, and the price. I want to set it at 35.97, and then. domestic and global pricing. If I enable it, it will allow me to set a price for my country, United Kingdom, and other all other countries in the world. So I'm not going to sell elsewhere. I only want to sell in UK. So I will not enable it. I will disable it, and I will set my quantity to 3. SKU is optional, but I will add my SKU in SN number in my SKU for the reference, and I'm not going to create variations today. Okay, no personalization for this item, and I will select this shipping option because I already created a template for shipping option. It's a free shipping. If you want to charge some shipping cost, you can enter your custom shipping, and you will select add your country and all your details, processing time, and then you can add a fixed price here, but I'm not going to do it. I will just stick to this one that I already created with free shipping, and then you can see the destination is UK and my shipping is free, and this is my price that buyer will pay. And I have an option to preview, save as draft, or publish. I will publish it, and let me look at everywhere if I missed something. Okay, let's publish this one. This will cost me 20 cents. Okay, I'm just going to view my listing. You can see my listing in my shop, and we made it live. Okay, this is my price, this is my title, everything that we put, and you can see here. This is my all the description. This is my shipping policies and everything. So for today, that's it, and I hope you guys find this video helpful for your learning and your knowledge. So for the next video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye.